Hey you guys, I'm so excited. My Color Street kit came. The kids are gonna be home any minute, but I figured let's open it up real quick together. So let's turn the camera around. So here's my kit. I'm so excited, and I don't know if I can open it with one hand. Sorry. I'm gonna look at the ceiling for a second there. Oh my gosh, look. So samples, I have some gorgeous sparkly glitter samples. If you want to try some of those, look at the different colors. There's some silver ones, some purple ones. There's some solid color. It's actually like a pink, not a red. It's kind of hard to tell. There's some more glittery samples. So some awesome samples. And let's see what we got. Some glitter. Ooh, those are really awesome. I will make all of these available for sale somehow. I just haven't figured that part out yet. Lindsay Hafer, these are for you. French manicure. It's a really pretty burgundy color. Ooh, check out those. Love. Peacock feathers. Oh, this is going to be so hard picking which ones to put on first. Ooh, where are my animal lovers? Sparkly, can't beat that. Love. I am loving all of these. I am going to go on and place an order for even more, so I have more cash and carry options. There's a nail file. Looks like this thing is two-tiered. I don't know what else is in here, but I will check it out after the kids get home. But I am gonna go on and order more, so I have more in like a cash and carry. But also if you go online and look, there are a bunch more options for you. They are buy 3, get 1 free through the website, or the French are buy 1, get 1. Buy 1, get 1 free. You cannot beat that. So I will, probably not today, probably starting tomorrow, have these samples and some of these with me everywhere I go. So hunt me down and I will help get you into a set that you're gonna love. Thanks.